Are you ready to take control of your financial future? In this video, how to make $100 a day online. We're gonna dive into various ways that can help you achieve $100 daily goals. Welcome to Richards. Are you a student or are you a stay-at-home mom? Or do you think you wanna earn additional income? We are gonna teach you how to make $100 a day online. Join us as we explore food delivery apps. Get paid to websites. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more financial help and how to make money online. Now let's get started. Number 1. Useful delivery apps. One very step-forward ways to get $100 a day guaranteed is to make money with food delivery gigs. Now these gig apps are immensely popular these days. And in my experience, making $15 to $20 per hour by delivering food to people in your city is quite possible. So you can potentially make $100 a day in couple of hours delivering. Now silver delivering. Food delivery gigs you can make money with include 1. Uber Eats. Now let's check Uber Eats. Uber Eats is a food delivery app whereby you get to deliver food for people and earn income. When it comes to apps that pay you to drive, one of the most popular categories is food delivery apps. The rise of gig economy, as you all know, has created so many new opportunities to make extra money on the side, especially if you have access to a vehicle or a bike. Now if you're looking to make money with Uber Eats, My Uber Eats reduces sharing data and view experience on how much it pays. It is worth it and how you can get started. Now what is Uber Eats? You guys can pay for delivery service and connect local restaurants and populous chains to only people. It's actually the most widely available delivery apps, servicing more than 320,000 restaurants in over 6,000 cities across the globe. How much does Uber Eats pays? Now according to various salary reviews websites, Uber Eats pays drivers who makes at least $12 to $20 per hour on average. What pays varies greatly depending on your market, how many degrees you could complete by hour, and the tips on some log, of course. How do you get started with Uber Eats? First, you guys got to meet some drivers' requirements. Each driver, before you could start with Uber Eats, you need to be 19 years of age or orders 18. If you deliver with a bike or scooter, that's fine, and of course, you need to be in some graces. Now you must have a valid driver license of more than a year, which means your driver license should be more than a year. Now your car must be insured and your name must be listed on the insurance. You must drive a vehicle with 2 or 4 doors. And your vehicle can't be older than 20 years. I can't have any noticeable debit. Number 2, you need to start accepting deliveries. And 3, you need to pick up the deliveries, of course. And after you complete your delivery for the 5, you simply get paid, and that's all for Uber Eats. Let's move on to the next one. We've got the DoorDash and we've got Gumboots. Now let's check DoorDash. DoorDash is simply like Uber Eats also, however. DoorDash focus on a lot of other things, cause DoorDash is worth it if you want to make flexible side orders. That lets you deliver on your own schedule. Now how much of those dash please? Data space depends on few factors, including your market, the time you deliver, the tips, and of course some luck. Just get paid using the payment model. Base pay, promotion plus tips. That's a total earning, and of course, that base pay rate is around $2 to $10. Depending on the time of your delivery or the distance, or maybe the disability, or influenced by acceptance rates. However, the pay doesn't change. Business tips and drivers to keep 100% of all tips. Isn't that lovely? I'm sure that's great. Now how you get started with daughters. To get started with daughters, she needs to start accepting orders and schedule for delivery. And of course, you need to go pick up and pay for your orders. And after that, you still need to make delivery of the order you picked up, and for you simply get paid. Now what's the orders requirement for signing up? Of course you need a driver or vehicle requirement, which you need to be 18 years old or older. You need to have a vehicle or bike or scooter in. To have a valid driver license and insurance, and as well as at least 1 year of driving experience. I need to myself pass background check, of course, and auto offenses within the last 7 years, and you can't add more than 3 minor driving violations, like speeding tickets within the last 3 years, and many more. Get started with DoorDash. Now comments I need in the comment section below, and I will drop you the guide to get started with DoorDash. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying our video so far, and smash the bell icon so you could get notification when we should upgrade videos like this. And the next on the list is Grubhub, and after Grubhub, we have Shipt, and we also have Instacart. These are all popular delivery websites where you can go and create an account, and of course you can get started with. If you need to get started with any of these, comment I need Uber Eats, or I need DoorDash, or I need Go up in the description below, and I'm gonna reply you immediately with a guide to get started. Number 2 on our ways to make $100 online day today is to use Get Paid to website. Now Get Paid to website pay you for completing easy online micro-talks, and you can use this size to chip away at your $100 daily dose, or from the comfort of your home. Now we've been doing this for a lot of time. We've got people who've been doing this for over 5 years, since college and many more. The first thing that goes today is the Freecash. There's a website called Freecash. Freecash is a website that pays you to do few micro-tasks online. And of course Freecash is legit frequency GPT, which is Get Paid to website. That lets you earn money by completing surveys, testing apps, signing up for brand offers, placing dates, and completing server order online card. That's what Freecard does. Now how does Freecash works? It took me about 30 seconds to sign up for Freecash, and I found out the website is fairly straightforward and also beginner friendly. So getting started with Freecash, it works in 7 busy steps. 1. It is sign over. 2. Answer surveys, and 3. Complete all of our tasks. 4. We fire friends. 5. Win little ball contest. 6. Enter promo codes, and 7. Of course you cashed out. So if you want to get started with Freecash, simply go to freecash.com, sign up and get started today. The next on the list, we have branded surveys. On branded surveys is just a little bit different from Freecash. So on branded survey is also legit live Freecash. It's an online survey website where you can share your opinion to end rewards like free paper cash, gift card, and was formerly known as Mint Vine. So how much can you make on branded surveys? Of course I made lots of money on it. However, this proves that I made a few money doing or survey. I've compared about 6-7 days post, and of course I made 50 point, which is open $50 1 o'clock, 5 point, which is $1.05, 68 point, which is open 0, and many more. So how does Bunny Soviet works? At first you just have to create an account. Like every other website too, you have to answer surveys. 3. You have to complete daily challenges, and 4. You gotta refer your friends. 5. Use the Bunny Soviet mobile app. 6. Join the Planet LA program. Of course 7. You simply have to cash. That simple as that. Straight to the goal of making your $100 a day online. If you joined this video so far now, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And of course, if you're just joining us for the first time, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon. And of course I'm always expecting your comments I need for any order options that you need to get started with. I'm definitely gonna drop you a guide. Get below. So to get started with Brandy Survey, simply go to brandysurvey.com and get started, or comment Brandy Survey in the description below. We have Order 1, which is my free app. We have Swag Box, we have Survey Junkies, and we have Cash Cakes. And we also have Cake Workers. Now, Cake Workers used to be different from every other one. So let's check what Cake Worker is. Cake Worker is a legit micro-tax website that has one of the most popular companies in the industry. Cause lets people from around the world make extra money in their spare time, or from the comfort of their own. So click OK. Of course it's legit. I've used them before and I've made some money doing them. Now, which are the few things you can do on Click Workers? You could do data entry, JARX formation, learning as your works, image data calculation and typing, surveys and webs research, transcription services, product data maintenance, and many more. Now how do you get started with Click Worker? Just sign up, complete macro tax, copy USS tax, and cash out. Simple as that. I want to get started today. Simply go to clickworker.com, sign up and get started. Now just be all for today's video on how to make $100 a day. Now if you follow these steps from head to toe, you're gonna be able to make $100 a day. Now from Uber Eats to surveys, and to Clickback and to Click Workers, you're definitely gonna make $100 a day. If it doesn't matter if you're a student, it doesn't matter if you're a stay-at-home, it doesn't even matter if you just need to make additional income. you under the lower day is powered. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to smash the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe.